In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a restaurant food ordering website using Wix. Creating an online presence for your restaurant can be a game changer, especially when it comes to accepting orders directly from your customers with ease. I'll guide you through each step, so let's get started. First, you'll want to open Wix Studio. Once you have Wix open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. It's quite intuitive and simply designed to help you build your website with ease. With Wix Studio ready to go, direct your attention to the search bar. Here, you want to type in restaurant. This will bring up a variety of templates specifically tailored for restaurant businesses, offering you aesthetically pleasing and functional design options to choose from. Once you've browsed the templates, select the one that best fits your restaurant's vibe and style. Wix has a vast array of choices to suit every kind of eatery, whether cozy, upscale, or family-friendly. After you've picked the perfect template, click Edit. It will take a moment for your chosen template to load fully, but once it's ready, you'll see your new website's layout. From here, you can begin to customize it to truly reflect your restaurant's unique branding. This is your opportunity to inject your personality and flair into the site, whether it's through color schemes, fonts, or images. Think about the elements that make your restaurant stand out and incorporate them here. Next, you can dive into editing and adding any elements your website might need. This might include changing the header with your restaurant's name, updating the menu sections with your dishes, or adding photos of your delicious food offerings. Each segment can be customized to captivate your audience and help entice them to place an order. Once you're satisfied with these foundational changes, it's time to integrate the ordering system. Look towards the app market on Wix, which is a fantastic resource that offers a variety of apps designed to improve your site's functionality. In the search bar, type Wix Restaurant Orders. This specific app is essential as it allows customers to place orders directly through your website, streamlining the process for both you and your patrons. After you find the Wix Restaurant app, click on it and add it to your site. The integration is seamless, and once it's added, your online ordering system will be fully operational. Just like that, your restaurant is ready to receive online orders, offering your customers a smooth and efficient ordering process from start to finish. And there you have it. Your restaurant can now take advantage of the convenience and accessibility of an online ordering website built with Wix. Remember, you can always return to make updates or further customizations as your menu or restaurant evolves. Thank you for following along, and happy serving.